Welcome back to TechKidFX for another Vechain price prediction update, which at the time of this recording is holding above the 20-day MA here on the 1 hour chart, which is now acting as support for us to continue gearing up. We have also continued to obey the Elliot wave structures, where we have been seeing a bit of a breakdown to the lower side in the formation of this wave 2, in a move that has now continued to hold within the minimum retracement areas in the formation of that wave 2 highlighted here on the charts using this blue target area. And all this is playing out after we fully peaked in the formation of that first wave in a move that gave us a high at around the $0.02661 mark. And having seen the formation of that first wave and a corrective structure in the formation of that wave 2, now my primary scenario is that whatever we are going to see next will be the start of a massive impulsive wave to the upside in the formation of this wave 3. And you can see that using the Fibonacci's, connecting them from the low of the first wave to the high of that wave 1, that is the move that gave me a minimum retracement area in the formation of this wave 2 between the Fib level 0.5 and the Fib level 0.78. And this is that blue target area that we need to continue holding within for us to still expect that impulsive wave to the upside in the formation of that wave 3. And before I get further into the technical analysis, to give you my short-term targets in the formation of that wave 3 and also give you my long-term scenarios here on the Vechain chart, first give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and also check out the channel membership. And allow me to first give you a recap of what I have been expecting on the long-term scenarios, where you can see that after seeing the bear market low down here, we started this massive bounce to the upside, obeying the Elliot wave structures, where I have this 5 wave structure in formation, having the wave 5 giving us a high at around the $0.03288 mark, and also completing the formation of that larger Elliot wave count 1. Then we saw a corrective structure in the formation of this wave 2, bottoming out within this blue target area. And having seen the formation of that first wave and a corrective structure in this wave 2, my primary scenario on the long-term scenarios is that whatever we are seeing is the start of an impulsive wave to the upside in the formation of this wave 3. And because of its impulsive nature, I'm also expecting to see a 5 wave structure in formation, having the wave 5 giving us the high for that wave 3 to the upper side. And you can now see that we have peaked in that first wave and also seen a corrective structure in the formation of this wave 2, in a move that has now continued to hold within the minimum retracement areas in the formation of this wave 2. And as long as we continue holding within this blue target area right here, there are chances that Vechain is going to start an impulsive wave to the upside very soon. And that is also dependent on what Bitcoin continues to do, because in case we continue seeing further breakdown on the Bitcoin chart, there are chances that Vechain is also going to follow that move and continue seeing further breakdown. But in case the further breakdown continues, this is the target area that we need to continue holding. And the moment we lose this blue target area on the worst case scenario, then that would be suggesting an even more bearish scenario here on the Vechain chart. So let's continue watching our blue target area, which lies between the $0.02309 mark and the $0.02109 mark, because as long as we continue holding within it, then the trend for Vechain is still up to the upside in the formation of that wave 3. And at the time of this recording, we don't have any confirmations that we have bottomed out in the formation of this wave 2. So in case the breakdown continues, we still have the chances of seeing one more new low within the blue target area before we can start our wave 3. And also taking a look at the indicators on the RSI, we are trading at around the 50 mark, meaning we have massive room for us to fully support higher prices. Also taking a look at the MACD, we have been able to print a bullish cross, fully supporting higher prices. So let's be patient and see how that plays out, and I'll be keeping you updated.